Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how to appeal for your Discord account being disabled. This is a very common issue, and that is that people's accounts get disabled on Discord, and not everyone knows how to appeal in that situation to get their account back. So I'm going to simply show you how to basically send an appeal request because you might not know how to just by reading the email that you might get. And by the way, I'll have an example of a disabled account sort of email that you might see if your account does get disabled. And unfortunately, Discord doesn't always give you all the information that you need to appeal your disabled account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get to that option. So we're going to basically go where I am right now, which is the discord.com website. And basically from the home screen, there will be a support tab. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, it might look a little different depending if they updated their website or not. But if the support tab is not on the top, it may be sometimes on the very bottom of the website. There will be a support tab. Or you could simply just look up Discord support, and there should be a Discord support site. But either way, it'll work all the same. So when we're on the website here, we'll go to the support tab, of course, and it will bring you to this page here. Now, this is support.discord.com. The URL should stay the same for the in the far future, but for now, that is the URL for it. So if you go to support.discord.com, then you'll be brought to this page here, and there is quite a few different options you could go here. And if you do search, you could get hundreds of different articles, but all you have to do is just ignore all this and simply go to the top right here where it says submit a request. And once you click on that, it'll bring you to here, and there'll be a bunch of different options on what you are requesting for. So you're going to want to go over the appeals and age update requests. Of course, there's many other options here, so if you do have any other problems with your Discord account or any other questions, you could always submit other requests, like, for example, your account was hacked or you're reporting a bug. So we're going to choose the appeals request one, and then all these other boxes will pop up. So from here, you will put your email address in. So I'll just call this one Smith. That's not my email, but just as an example. So you'll put your email in, and then you'll choose which type of appeal you're doing under this category. So you could do either appeal an action taken on my account, update my age information, or appeal an action taken on my channel. Now you're going to want to do the top one here, appeal an action taken on my account, because an action taken on your account, it could be a ban, it could be just disabled, or it could be anything. And then once you choose that, then you could choose a specific thing. So then you could choose that it was taken on your account. Now, if you have a bot and it was taken on your bot, then you could choose your bot. But in this case, your account is disabled and you're wanting to appeal that. So we'll choose this option here. Then once you do that, you'll basically just send them. It's like sending them an email. So you'll put a subject line. So you could say, my account was disabled, and that is the subject line, for example. And then the description, you could write whatever you'd like. So you could, just say like, I would like to appeal my disabled Discord account. And then you'll just go into the details, maybe, explain what happened, or maybe you'll, ask for more information, because you can ask Discord for more information on why your account was disabled. Because the email that they send you when your account does get disabled, sometimes it can be very vague, and if you do ask them, usually they could give you a little bit more insight onto that. As well as you could add as many files or attachments or images that you'd like to back up your case if you are trying to appeal it and you have physical evidence. And then once you're all done that, then you could just click submit, and essentially, I'm not going to click submit because this is not my email. But once you click submit, it'll just send them an email, and I believe roughly in a one to 2 days or so, they will get back to you. It usually takes at least a day, I believe, because there's a lot of these requests going in, and especially they're probably only actually responding to emails at certain times of the day during the week. So anyways, that is basically appealing in the short form for your Discord account. Whether it was disabled. If it was permanently banned, you probably can't appeal that. But if it is a disabled, then I believe you have like 30 days after it's disabled to actually appeal that before it's actually permanently deleted. And if you're appealing anything else, you know, your account was hacked once again, or whatever reason, you could appeal or even just ask general questions here, and they'll get back to you in a couple days. Now, the only thing I'd like to say quickly, though, if you are putting in an appeal for a disabled account, I will say it is unlikely. Well, not unlikely, but I would say, you know, it's honestly, it could be like a 50-50 chance on whether or not you actually get your account back, because a lot of times, at least what I've heard from other people, they've said that, you know, they've done nothing wrong and they tried to appeal, but they just couldn't get their account back. But I've also seen people who have simply sent in an appeal and they got their account back right away. So really, it's all just chance, and you know, might as well send an appeal in. And this is the way to do so. So just go to support.discord.com and then click on Submit a Request. Anyways, though, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a short one today, but I had to make it short because I didn't have too much time to record this one. But that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one, and hopefully it'll be pretty soon. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. 50 subscribers away from 500, so let's hit it. And also join the Discord server. It is in the link in the description below. Anyways, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.